Hello, I'm Jennifer with MyVet Imaging, and we would like to invite you to take a first glance at our new Veterinary panoramic dental x-ray system, the first in the world of its kind. Traditional full-mouth intraoral imaging can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, depending on the patient and level of user experience. The Pan i2D uses tomography to take a panoramic image of any patient's mouth in about 1 minute. Additionally, the entire unit is mobile, low dose, and does not require any special installation. Easy-to-use software provides a quick patient setup.
From the Patient tab, simply click on Add Patient and enter all required patient information. Next, click on the Acquisition tab and select Panorama from the modality list. Select species type and size, then click Confirm to automatically move the unit into proper positioning. The Pan i2D uses smart scanning presets for different jaw sizes, but parameters may be adjusted if needed. For the safety of the patient and in order for the images to come out correctly, the patient must be sedated. Once the patient is fully anesthetized, they are placed onto the table with their head in between the adjustable headrests. 4 different lasers are used for alignment, along with an adjustable chin rest that may be used to raise or tilt the patient's head. When ready, the user exposes the image with an extended hand switch. The result will be one full mouth image, providing more coverage for bone deficits and jaw lesions than traditional intraoral sensors. With the intuitive MyVet View software, users can manipulate the image with various image controls and tools. The convenient report feature allows users to simply drag and drop patient images right into the report. Sometimes, the user may need a more detailed look at a suspicious area and can still utilize their intraoral sensor. On the software, simply choose Intraoral Sensor from the Acquisition tab and select the desired tooth area. A traditional dental generator, like MyVet's EasyRay cart, may be utilized to take the image.
MyVet's Pan i2D offers easy positioning, less preparation, with scan times over 7 times faster than traditional intraoral only imaging. Thank you for watching.